Boiled DGG diet, you can lose 11 kg in just 14 days. If you want fast results for the weight, boiled eggs are the perfect food. Just few eggs, some veggies and some citric fruits are making this diet complete. It will speed up the metabolism and burn the fat. Also, you won't feel hungry all the time. You must have lots of water to hydrate and nourish the body and also detox more easily. Have 8 glasses per day, and it may sound like a lot but it is the best dose. If you ask yourself why you feel hungry all the time, it is because you lack water. Drink up. You will be in good shape, have energy and crave foods less. Water drinking means less hunger of boredom. This diet has simple rules. You do not eat junk food like sweets and burgers. Limit salt and sugar as much as you can and sodas, alcohol too. You can even lose 11 kilograms in 14 days and the weight does not come back. This is the 2-week menu. Week 1. Monday. Breakfast, 2 boiled eggs and 1 citric fruit. 2. Lunch, 2 slices wholemeal bread and some fruit. Dinner, big serving salad and chicken. Tuesday. Breakfast, 1 citric fruit and also 2 eggs boiled. Lunch, salad of green veggies and chicken. Dinner, veggie salad, 1 orange and 2 boiled eggs. Wednesday. Breakfast, 1 citrus fruit and again, 2 boiled eggs. Lunch, low-fat cheese, 1 tomato and 1 slice wholemeal bread type. Dinner, salad and chicken. Thursday. Breakfast, 2 eggs, boiled, and 1 citric fruit. Lunch, fruit. Dinner, salad and steamed chicken. Friday. Breakfast, as the day before. Lunch, steamed veggies and 2 eggs. Dinner, salad and barbecue or fish. Saturday. Breakfast, as the day before. Lunch, fruit. Dinner, steamed chicken and veggies. Sunday. Breakfast, 1 citric fruit and 2 eggs boiled. Lunch, tomato salad, steamed veggies and chicken. Dinner, steamed veggies. Week 2. Monday. Breakfast, 2 eggs plus citric fruit. Lunch, salad plus chicken. Dinner, 1 orange, salad and 2 eggs. Tuesday. Breakfast, as the day before. Lunch, 2 eggs plus steamed veggies. Dinner, salad, fish or barbecue. Wednesday. Breakfast, as the day before. Lunch, salad plus chicken. Dinner, 1 orange plus veggie salad plus 2 eggs. Thursday. Breakfast, as the day before. Lunch, steamed veggies plus low-fat cheese plus 2 eggs. Dinner, salad plus steamed chicken. Friday. Breakfast, as the day before. Lunch, tuna salad. Dinner, salad plus 2 eggs. Saturday. Breakfast, as the day before. Lunch, salad and chicken. 2. Dinner, fruit. Sunday. Breakfast, as so far again. Lunch, steamed veggies plus steamed chicken. Dinner, as the lunch. You see that this diet has no carbs almost, and that is why you need doctor consult before starting it. The menu is repetitive and simple. And for even better results, include workouts at least half an hour per day.